How to upgrade Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can upgrade to Spotify Premium on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to upgrade to Spotify Premium on your iPhone, you have basically downloaded the Spotify application here. Once you've downloaded the Spotify app, you are logged into your account, you have a free account. To upgrade to premium, when you come to the premium tab, you can see all the plans, but of course you don't see the option to actually subscribe to premium. That is because iPhones or iOS does not support in-app payments and in-app browsing as well. That's why you will not be able to get Spotify Premium from the app on iPhone. So instead, what you have to do is you have to open a Safari browser and go to spotify.com instead and log into the free account on which you want to get the premium version. Once you log into the free account, just make sure to tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the gear icon here, you'll see all these options where you have to just go to this premium tab. When you come to this premium tab, you'll see all these options and you can just select a plan as to you want the individual, duo, family or student plan depending upon what you want. You can just tap the get started option. Once you tap on get started, you'll be able to go ahead and make sure to enter your payment details. So if you have PayPal, make sure to enter PayPal, or if you have a credit or debit card, you can simply enter your credit or debit card instead, and then you'll be able to enter your card number, the expiration date, the security code. Tap the buy now option in order to successfully buy the premium subscription. That's all it takes to upgrade to Spotify Premium on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.